Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the suspension stiffness on your XPeng vehicle. So first, we're going to click on the vehicle icon to open settings, go to drive, and you may notice that you cannot change the suspension stiffness. You guys can do that by going into individual. Once you're in the individual settings, here you have the suspension stiffness. You can set it from comfort to standard and up to sport. Now, of course, the sport one is really stiff, and here we have the comfort. Comfort is how do I explain it? Like a little bit wobbly, which just feels good, pretty comforting. And here we have the standard, so we can choose between those three options. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.